actual pod, the coffee pod that we use.
Okay. So you're using a pod. Is that one of those capsules that we see, or?
No. This is actually a what's called a ESE pod, which is actually in
Okay.
a tea bag like gauze material. That one is environmentally friendly, but two very easy to use. And in this sort of environment with the mobile van, it's fast, fresh, and as clean as you can be.
Okay, well that's really interesting, because I guess one of the troubles that I've seen with coffee vans is it always seems to be a really big queue of people behind. So does this help eliminate those big long queues of people waiting?
Absolutely. I can make a cappuccino or a latte or a flat white, any of your favourites, in around about 40 seconds. So
wow.
As far as the van goes, as you can see, I'll just move back a bit here, but as you can see, this is basically just how it is when we're working, and cleans up very easy.
Yeah, it looks very clean, and I can see that you've got syrups and things that you can add as well.
That's right. I mean, people like the caramel lattes and the chai. I've got chai, and all the favourites as well.
Okay, great. Yeah, it does look like a very simple system. So let's have a look at the coffee production.
I can just show you. Yeah, it's quite simple.
Right.
I'll just make the coffee, and we'll put some milk with it and enjoy.
Okay, perfect. So let's have a look at
This is
that.
the little pod packet, so obviously it's in a foil packet for freshness. We just open that up, and that's the actual pod there. So all the 100% gourmet Arabica coffee is pre-ground, and so it's in a little pod for itself.
Okay. So what you're doing now is you're popping it into
Putting it into the
group head. Okay.
That's right. So, the other vans where you've got the standard group head, that's where you tamp and you have sometimes probably a bit of mess floating around. But with this here, we put that directly just into the group head.
So that eliminates having to use a grinder.
It's all pre-ground. That's correct. Yes.
Okay, that's
so
really
we
interesting.
pre-grind. So with the standard vans, you'll have a grinder, and that's what I'm saying. You have probably a bit of mess floating around. But with us, it's just very simple. Pod straight into your group head and push the button, and away you go.
Okay, let's go.
So I've just pushed that button down. I'm just going to make like a latte for you. As you can see, the flow of coffee being produced coming out there. Fantastic. Nice steady flow rates. Nice crema on the top.
Perfect. Smells fantastic. It's a shame our viewers can't actually smell this. It's just absolutely beautiful.
I promise. Now,
Wow.
So just while that's finishing there, I'll just go over and I'll do the milk, and then we'll get that coffee done.
Perfect.
That latte just there, produced quite easy. Just doing the milk, and then we'll be right. And as I said, around about 40-45 seconds to make a great drink.
Yeah,
And that's with because of the speed and the way that we work. That's where with your events and things like that, no long queues.
yeah, definitely. So and I see that you have another group head there as well, Steve. So I'll just focus on that. So that looks like it's a double group head there. So that means you can do two at once.
Yes, that's correct. Yes, you can do that's for double shots. So
Essentially, you could be doing three at one time.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. So that's your double shots, your single shot, or you can do three single shots in a row.